In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan an irresistible Instagram feed using Canva. Whether you're just starting your Instagram journey or looking to give your feed a fresh and captivating look, Canva provides an easy and effective solution. This tutorial is designed to walk you through creating a visually appealing feed that can help you engage your audience. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Canva's website, which is an amazing design tool packed with a variety of features tailored for different platforms, including Instagram. Once you're there, type Instagram feeds into the search bar. This is your first step to accessing a wide array of templates specifically designed for Instagram. By doing this, you unlock endless design possibilities that are sure to match your vision, whether you have a specific theme or are just exploring options. After you've typed in Instagram feeds and browsed through the available templates, take your time to select one that resonates with your style. Canva offers several templates whether you are looking for something minimalist, vibrant, or themed. Don't rush through this, your choice serves as the foundation for the aesthetic of your feed. Be intentional with your selection, ensuring it aligns with your brand's identity or personal style. Once you have found the perfect template, click on Customize this template. This is where the magic happens. Customizing allows you to personalize the template to reflect your unique flair. You can adjust everything from colors and layouts to images and fonts, ensuring your feed is cohesive and on brand. Use this time to let your creativity shine, ensuring each element complements your overarching theme. Next, navigate to the text sections. Here, you can edit the text to convey your message or tell your story. Whether you're promoting products, sharing personal snapshots, or highlighting your creative work, ensure the text aligns with your voice and connects with your audience. Pay attention to typography, because as simple as it may seem, the right font can enhance the visual impact of your posts. Take the time to refine all the details, adjusting, moving, or experimenting with elements until you're satisfied with the result. Canva's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to explore different designs without much hassle. Lastly, once you've completed customizing your template, download your design. Choose the best format for Instagram, which is usually PNG or JPEG, to ensure high-quality visuals when you upload them. With these simple steps, you've planned an eye-catching Instagram feed using Canva. Remember, consistency is key, so try to maintain your chosen style across all posts. This not only creates a pleasant aesthetic, but also keeps your content recognizable and memorable to followers. Thank you for watching and happy designing.